Good morning, everybody, or at least it's morning for me. I'm going to show you how to understand the manual. If you guys, some of you guys are probably using automatic mode for your photos, and while I love automatic mode, manual mode is much better. So I'm going to teach you how to use manual mode. So first, you're going to go up here, flip this into manual, or the M, and you may notice if you turn this on, probably well, right now. Right now it looks blurry because it's not. We'll adjust the focus. Hey, not important right now. But, yeah, I'll show you what's going on here. So first setting you have here is aperture. This is one of the light settings, and it can control how to... It can control how to do some stuff like those portrait photos where the background is blurred. Yeah, so you adjust aperture to get that or go into portrait mode. So just a quick editor's note, typically in a photo you want a lower aperture unless you're going for that portrait blur. So you can see here if I'm looking at this and I turn this up, it'll darken the lens, showing that I have more light, so it doesn't need to artificially brighten it. But if I turn it down, it gets brighter. Alright. So yeah, you adjust that in order to lower artificial light or just contrast and stuff like that. This setting here, ISO, is literally just artificial light. It'll brighten the screen. Like if you go into your phone, you take a picture, and then you'll see a thing that just turns up brightness. That'll just whiten it. It doesn't even fully brighten it. It just adds a. It just raise the light, the white textures. So typically you want a lower ISO for a less grainy photo. However, if you're in a darker environment, you can see just as I do that, you probably want a higher ISO. So typically you want to adjust this setting before you adjust ISO. So those are the main light settings that it's keeping you at bay from using manual mode. I'll post more videos about other things, such as autofocus, megapixels, shutter speed, all the stuff like that. But this is it for today, so goodbye.